Welcome back. This is an Aleks training video on writing the equation for a typical radioactive decay. Alright, this is scary because they're making you, from words, write the equation, and that's always a little bit intimidating if you don't have full confidence. But as long as you know what these different emissions are, if you remember alpha emission, beta emission, positron, electron capture, these basic types of equations, and you know, in this case, carbon-14, that the 14 is actually your mass number, okay, and then you simply look up what the atomic number is in the periodic table, and then make sure everything is balanced. I don't think there's any one part of this that's terrifying. It's just writing it down is a little scary. Okay, so let's start with carbon-14. Okay, so here's carbon-14. Carbon in the periodic table is number 6, so its atomic number is 6. So it tells me radioactively decays by beta emission. All right, so it's going to break down, and beta emission, remember, is that high-speed electron. So electron has no mass, so that's 0 mass number, but it has a negative charge, so it'll be a -1 charge. And then it's going to have some kind of a daughter nuclide that I don't know yet, but I just have to make sure that everything balances. The top numbers have to balance on both sides, and the bottom numbers have to balance on both sides. Okay, so what are we going to have? Well, 14 on the left has to equal 14 on the right. So I know that my mass number has to be 14. Okay, I don't know anything else, but I know that 14 equals 0 plus 14. 6 on the left equals something minus 1 on the right. Okay, I've got a -1 plus a something. Something minus 1 equals 6. Well, something minus 1 is a 7. So I know that that's the atomic number. 7 is the atomic number. So I'll go to the periodic table. Nitrogen is 7, and this happens to be nitrogen 14. Nitrogen 14 plus an electron is the two parts that are broken apart when carbon-14 decays by beta emission. Okay, so not as scary as you thought. It's done. That's all it is. It's just making sure that you know what these different emissions are. You have to be able to know that carbon-14 is still carbon, so it's 6. Carbon-14 is the mass number, and then you have to balance everything. Hope that helps you.